In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Fitch ratings for bonds on TradingView. Understanding credit risk is about more than just a single opinion. By comparing agencies like Fitch and S&P side by side, you can spot divergences that reveal a more complete picture of an instrument's quality. This integration allows you to track historical changes and manage a risk directly within your existing workflow without ever switching tools. First, head to the TradingView search bar at the top of your screen. Type in a specific bond or a company symbol to open its dedicated instrument page. Once you are on the main summary page, locate the Issue Rating widget. Here, you can view the current Fitch and S&P ratings side by side. Seeing these together helps you immediately identify if the agencies have different perspectives on the creditworthiness of the same asset. From there, navigate to the Analysis tab at the top of the page. This section provides historical graphs that track rating changes over time. It's a powerful way to identify divergences between agencies. For instance, if one agency downgrades a bond while another holds steady, it might be an early signal to pay closer attention to shifting risks. Next, let's look at how to analyze the market as a whole. Open the Bond Screener and select the Ratings tab. This will open a grouped table displaying Fitch and S&P data for multiple instruments simultaneously. This view is designed specifically for comparing credit quality across different issuers in one organized place. Finally, to get even more specific, use the filter icon within the bond screener. You can add specific rating-based criteria to your search, allowing you to sort or narrow down bonds by their Fitch credit quality. This helps you quickly surface potential opportunities or filter out high-risk debt based on your specific investment strategy. Tracking credit risk is now much more transparent with Fitch ratings integrated directly into your TradingView charts and screeners. Use these tools to gain better context and make more informed decisions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.